Welcome. Question 22. The gradient of point Q on a curve given by the curve, the equation of the curve given by y equals to 7x squared plus 2x plus 1 is given as 30. We have to find the coordinate of what? Q. Now, if you have a curve, the gradient on the curve is just the derivative of the equation of the curve, which is the dy dx. So if I have my y equals to 7x squared plus 2x plus 1, the gradient, the change in the y-axis over the change in the x-axis is the gradient view of that curve. So if you differentiate this, 2 can be multiply this as 14, subtract 1 from that. Then 1 is here, multiplying this will give you what? 2. If you differentiate the constant, you get what? 0. Now, they are saying that the gradient, this dy dx, is given as what? 30. So, but dy dx is given as what? 30. So, if you substitute, that means that 30 is the same as 14x plus what? 2. It's an equation we need to find the x. So 30 minus 2 equals to 14x. If you subtract that, you still have 28. Since it's section A, let's divide here by 14. 14x will be equals to, if you divide that, I think that will be 2 times, right? 2. So we know the x coordinate. Now we need to find the y coordinate. So the only way we can see y is the equation itself. So let's put, let me see, this is my first equation. So put x equals to 2 into equation 1, meaning y is equals to 7 times x, and x is 2, all squared, plus 2 times x, which is what? 2, plus 1. Let's see, this is 4, 28, 4 plus 1, and that will be 33. So therefore, the coordinate of Q is going to be the x value will be 2, the y value will be what? 33. And let's see which of the options will perform the magic. That will be the option what? A. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 23.